think they got a mailbox up here. Oh, that's deep.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
Oh no, that's all like, yeah, we could get across that. I'm not sure if there's anything over there, but
Oh shit. You about lost it.
yeah. Yeah, these rocks are pretty loose. And I'm not sure if there's really any way to climb up here. Yeah, I figured it would be pretty slick. I'm gonna try to go that way. That was not too bad.
Yeah, so this would be a new place we haven't been before, unless it connects to somewhere we have been.
I'm sure it does.
This whole place is slippery clay.
Yeah, the surface is weird. It's like drifting. I'm drifting all over the place.
Somebody had their horse down here recently.
I guess the trail just keeps going.
Yeah, I don't know how deep that is. It looks like it might be pretty deep in places.
I'm gonna go for it. I don't think it can't be that bad.
Dude, that's pretty deep.
Shit.
That was pretty deep.
Yeah, water got all inside of my boots and stuff. Oh, I know. Yeah, I know where this is now.
Where is it?
It's one of those places we never could cross. Nice colored trees. That was softer than it looked. Yeah, this is a nice little.
Oh, well, I got to try out my rear shock then, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess instead of like mowing or whatever, they just bulldoze it.
Oh.
It looks like it might have been bulldozed recently too, huh?
Yeah. Oh, this goes down also. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it turns left right here. Oh, watch out. Mud hole. You good back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a new fresh trail.
Killed it.
Gets a little muddy over here.
I'm dressed too warm for this.
Me too.
Oh, jeez. This one is fun, but sketchy.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit for you to catch up some.
This whole thing is just on the side of a hill.
Yeah. Damn, this is some loose stuff right here.
Okay, that worked. Yeah, we could continue, but I'm way too hot. We need to get going.
All right.